How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make a girl laugh when she's sad over text. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. This one is very, very easy to do. Making a girl laugh is not too difficult to do. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people are probably wondering, well, how do I become funny? I could tell you to say one-liners or to say stuff that's stupid. If you want to become funny, then watch people that are funny. Listen to people that are funny. There's so many comedians out there. Literally go on YouTube, type in funny comedians, watch over and over again, study them, see what makes other people laugh, and then use similar things as well. That's how you become funny. People know how to become funny. There's comedians that make millions of dollars by being funny. So watch them, learn from the best. Don't try to make up your own stuff because it's probably not going to be funny. Why? Because you don't know how to be funny right now. If you did, you wouldn't be watching this video. So learn from people that are funnier from you. Listen to some of their stories and then you can tell them to other people. You don't have to copy everything that they say. Maybe make stuff your own. But if they're telling funny jokes and people are laughing, be like, hey, that's actually a funny joke. I could tell that to another person. Get some quality information and just tell them. Tell them jokes. Do that. When a girl is sad, you can make her laugh. That's a definite way. That's definitely a good way to get her over that. But another thing that you can do too is you can talk about the reason why she's sad. So instead of kind of moving away from the conversation, getting her to think about something else, you could get her to talk about what's bothering her. That might be even better than trying to make her laugh over text. So you don't have to fix the problem for her. Sometimes they just want to talk to somebody. Maybe you just say, okay, okay, how do you feel about that? Blah, 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 stuff like that. You don't have to find her a solution. You don't need to do this. You don't need to comfort her. Sometimes they just want somebody to listen to when they are talking. So that's something that I would do personally. I would just listen to, be like, hey, what's going on? Are you okay? And then be like, no, I'm not. Then be like, okay, what's going on? And then be like, okay, well, how do you feel about this? Do you think you could do this, that? That's what I would personally do. It's just being a nice person, actually caring and listening. If you actually care about what she's saying, it should be pretty easy for you to come up with stuff. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.